Have you ever wondered what the future of work might look like? The rise of robots and artificial intelligence is transforming industries at an unprecedented pace, raising questions about the very nature of employment. This documentary explores the increasingly complex relationship between humans and robots in the workplace. The integration of robots into various sectors, from manufacturing to healthcare, offers significant advantages. Increased efficiency, precision, and productivity are just some of the benefits businesses are realizing. Robots can perform dangerous or repetitive tasks, reducing workplace accidents and improving worker safety. This leads to higher overall output and potentially lower production costs, benefiting both companies and consumers. But the rise of robot workers isn't without its challenges. The potential for widespread job displacement is a major concern. As robots become more sophisticated, they can automate tasks previously performed by humans, leading to unemployment and economic instability in certain sectors. This transition requires careful planning and proactive measures to mitigate the negative consequences. Consider the impact on factory workers whose jobs have been automated. While some companies are retraining their employees for new roles, many workers lack the skills necessary to adapt to the changing job market. This highlights the urgent need for education and training programs that equip individuals with the skills needed to thrive in a technology-driven world. The ethical implications are also profound. Questions arise concerning fair wages, worker rights, and the potential for increased inequality. As robots become more integrated into the workforce, it's crucial to establish ethical guidelines and regulations to ensure responsible development and deployment. This is a conversation that needs to involve governments, businesses, and workers themselves. One compelling example is the automotive industry, where robots have significantly impacted assembly lines. While initially leading to job losses, some manufacturers have successfully transitioned to a model where human workers collaborate with robots, focusing on more complex tasks requiring human ingenuity and problem-solving skills. Furthermore, the development of artificial intelligence raises even more complex questions about the future of work. AI-powered systems can automate tasks that previously required human intelligence and judgment. This impacts not just blue-collar jobs, but also white-collar professions, including data entry, analysis, and even creative roles. However, it's important to remember that robots are tools, and like any tool, their impact depends on how they are used. The future of work isn't a zero-sum game. We can harness the power of robots and AI to improve efficiency and productivity, while ensuring that humans retain a central role in the economy. This requires a concerted effort from all stakeholders to create a future where technology serves humanity, rather than replacing it. Ultimately, the rise of robot workers presents both opportunities and challenges. The key to navigating this technological revolution lies in proactive planning, education, and ethical considerations. By embracing change and investing in human capital, we can ensure a future where humans and robots work together to create a more prosperous and equitable society.